Good afternoon, students. I am very happy to meet you in this afternoon online session for grade 10th. So last class, I started the class simple, compound and complex. Three types I completed in the last class. I already told you for 10th grade we have 7 models are there. That the 7 models are enough for you, okay, but more models are there, but for grade 10 7 models are enough, okay, good. So have you revised first 3 models? Okay, I already said what is simple sentence, what is compound sentence, and what is complex sentence. What is simple sentence? A simple sentence has one subject and one finite verb. Okay, that is simple sentence. Okay, when you are changing a compound into simple or complex into simple, this method you follow. What is a complex sentence? A complex sentence has one main class and more than one subordinate class will come. Okay, one main class, one or more than one subordinate class will come for this complex sentence. What is compound sentence? Okay, compound sentence means two main class connected by a coordinating conjunction. Two main class connected by a coordinating conjunction. Last class I explained detailedly about all those things. Then first type what we studied is cause and effect model. You know very well what are the keywords. Simple sentence means what are the keywords we should use. Being, yes, on account of, okay, in, by dint of, all these words we can use. Okay, what complex sentence? As or since we can use. What keyword we should use for a compound sentence? We should use so and so. Then second one is contrast ideas. Okay, if two contrast ideas means what are the words? Despite, in spite of, for simple sentence. Okay, complex, though, although, even though, this compound sentence, but yet, still. Okay, that is that one. Then next one is verb, this two action happening at the same time. Yes, so on plus verb plus ing for simple sentence, or we can write without on also, we can write verb plus ing for simple sentence. Then it is followed by when or as soon as for complex. When or as soon as. It is followed by and at once and immediately. Okay, these are all the words. Okay, you should be very careful. Okay, so we have two models in your textbook. One is join the sentence, another one is one sentence they will give. If it is simple sentence, you should change into compound as directed in the question. Have you understood? So I am teaching first the join the sentence, and we are moving into the second part. Okay, complex to compound, that is very easy if you know the all the this connecting words or connectors, if you know very well. The next one is type 4. Okay, fourth type, just to write it. Okay, first one is simple, and next one is complex, next one is compound. Write the keywords. For simple, having plus V3 form of verb. V3 means, already I said, past participle form of verb. Second one is after plus verb plus ing. Two ways we can write. Okay, one is have plus having plus V3 form of verb. The second one is after plus verb plus ing. Complex, after plus subject plus had plus V3 form of verb. Okay, what is the second one? You should use when you are changing it into a complex sentence, after plus subject plus had plus V3 form of verb. Then for compound sentence, and then. What is for compound sentence? And then. Okay, so what is the keyword for a simple sentence? Having plus V3 form, or after plus verb plus ing. Two words we can use. Then as after plus subject plus had plus V3 form of verb, past participle form of verb. And compound sentence, and then. Okay, first example, he completed the work He completed the work, one sentence. He went home. Now what is this two sentence? He completed the work. He went home. Okay, so what already said, both the subjects are same. Okay, both the subjects are same. Two ways we can write. First we should write into simple sentence. Okay, so after plus verb plus ing, verb is completed. So after plus verb plus ing also we can write, or having plus verb plus ing. Okay, having completed the work, having completed the work, he went. Having completed the work, he went home. This is a simple sentence. This is a simple sentence. Have you understood? What I have did means verb. We should find out. I already said yes or no. When you are changing two sentences into single sentence, okay, to simple sentence, what we should do means one set means we should keep the same. Another set we should change it into a phrase. So having, already we have the keywords. Okay, conjunctions. Having completed, okay, or after completing the work. After completing or having completed the work, he went home. Just to change it into a complex sentence. After he had completed, after he had completed the work, he went home. This is complex. It is very easy. Okay, complex means I said this is a coordinating subordinating conjunction. Okay, after he had completed the work, he went home. One subordinate class and one main class. Change it into compound sentence. What is the keyword? Compound and then. Okay, so we should write. Okay, he had completed the work. He had completed the work, and then he went home. So this is complex. Okay, have you understood? So this is the model. Okay, so where we should use this model means, okay, for example, two action happening one after another. On plus verb plus previous model, okay, at without any gap it will happen. Okay, but here it's not like that. He completed the work and then he went home. Okay, it is a gap. Okay, time will get. Okay, but that is not like that. Okay, on seeing the thief, on seeing the police, the thief ran away. Okay, like that. Okay, the thief will not wait for long after seeing the police. Okay, but here this type of model is entirely different. So these things are very important. Write fast. He completed the work, he went home. That is a sentence. Okay, joining the sentence. Having completed the work, he went home. After he had completed the work, he went home. He had completed the work and then he went home. Okay, write one more question. I posted the letter. I posted the letter. I posted the letter. I returned home. I returned home. Okay, the same model. Write fast. Having completed the work, he went home. After he had completed the work, he went home. He had completed the work and then he went home. Okay. So next example is I posted the letter. I returned home. I posted the letter. I returned home. This is the second model. Okay. The same. Those who know well, you can write your answer. Okay. Others listen. One more model I will help you. Okay. So the same model we will follow. Having. The first one is having posted the letter. Having posted. Okay. Having posted the letter. Comma. I returned home. Having posted the letter, I returned home. Simple sentence. Okay. Having posted. Okay. Having plus V3 form of verb. So having posted the letter, I returned home. Okay. The next one is complex sentence. Okay. After I had posted the letter, I returned home. This is a complex sentence. This is complex sentence. After I had posted the letter, I returned home. So compound sentence. How to change it into compound sentence? I had posted the letter, and then I returned home. Right fast. Okay. Second model. I will give two example exercise for you. Do it in your home. Okay. So I posted the letter, I returned home. Having posted the letter, I returned home. After I had posted the letter, I returned home. I had posted the letter, and then I returned home. Right first. So just take down the question. I will give one question for you. Another two sentences you should write. Okay. Change it into another two sentences. First question. Write fast. Then first question. After visiting the Taj Mahal, we went to Delhi. After visiting the Taj Mahal, after visiting the Taj Mahal, we went to Delhi. Full stop. So identify first what type of sentence this one, and you changed into other two sentences. Okay. After visiting the Taj Mahal, we went to Delhi. Second question. After they had sold their lands, after they had sold their lands, they vacated the village. After they had sold their lands, they vacated the village. Okay, do as your homework. Okay, right fast. We will go into the next type number 5 or model number 5. Next type, that is a fifth model. Fifth model is a condition model. Right fast. Right soon. If you want the second question, once again I am reading. After they had sold their lands, they vacated the village. Okay. Next model. Right fast. For condition, we have one positive and another one is negative. Okay. So what positive we should use, what negative we should use, we will see. Okay. Here in the event of. Okay. What is the first keyword? In the event of. In case of. Okay. Have you understood? What is the simple sentence? Simple sentence will come in the event of, in case of. Okay, this is actually positive sentences. Okay, then in the event of, in case of, complex, it is if. Okay, this is positive. In the event of, in case of, if. For compound, must or should and. What is the connecting word? In the event of, in case of. For complex, if. For compound, must or should, and we can use. Okay, right fast. The negative model. Okay, this is a positive model for then negative. Negative means in the event of not. What will come in the event of not, or in case of not will come. Okay. So here we should write unless. Unless is nothing but if plus not. Negative form of if is unless. Okay. So unless. Okay. This is negative form of if. Okay. In the event of not or unless. Unless means you know very well it is if plus not. Okay. Unless. Then for complex we should write must or should plus or else or otherwise. Three words we can write. Okay. What are the three words? Must or should plus must or should. What are the words will come? Or else, otherwise. Any words we can write. Okay. Write soon. Write fast. Write fast. So simple sentence. Once again I am saying, don't make mistake. In the event of, this is positive. In case of, positive. For that complex if and the compound must or should, it will come and. Okay, that is correct. If it is negative, in the event of not, in case of not. Okay, in the event of not, in case of not means unless, must or should plus or else, otherwise. First question, you eat well. You eat well, you will grow strong. You will go strong. Two sentences. Okay, join the sentence. You eat well, you will grow strong. Okay, you eat well, you will grow strong. Okay. So you know very well both subjects are same. Okay. Leave this. Take this first part. Okay. In the event of eating well, you. In the event of eating well, you will grow strong. This is simple sentence. Okay, what we have read. Okay, so I said already, this is one main class, this is also a main class, a sentence. So we should change it into simple sentence. Okay, or single sentence and simple sentence. So second part as it is, you will grow strong, leave it. But first part we should change. Both subjects are same, so don't worry about that. So in the event of changing verb into ing form, verb is eat, eating well, you will grow strong. Okay. The next one is what? Complex sentence. Okay. If you eat well, you will grow strong. This is complex. What is it? Complex. If you eat well, you will grow strong. Next one is must is there. If you must eat well, you must eat well. You must eat well. You must eat well and you will grow strong. This is combo. Third one is combo sentence. This is combo sentence. Okay. So, first one is in the event of eating well, you will grow strong. This is simple sentence. We are changing to complex. If you eat well, you will grow strong. Okay, this is complex. You will eat well, and you will grow strong. That is compound. Okay, uh, compound sentence. Write fast. Write fast. So what are the keywords in the event of? In case of, complex if, compound must, or should, and will come. So in the event of not, negative means unless we should use must or should, or else, otherwise we should use. Okay, write fast, write fast. Write fast. So you eat well, you will grow strong. In the event of eating well, you will grow strong. If you eat well, you will grow. If you eat well, you will grow strong. You must eat well, and you will grow strong. Next one is she must. She must change habit. Nobody likes her. She must change her habit. Nobody likes her. That is a negative sentence. Okay. That is a negative sentence. So how we should write, I will tell you. Okay. She must change her habit. In the event of, in the event of not, in the event of not changing her habit. Okay, in the event of not, so negative, changing her habit, nobody likes her. This is simple sentence. What is simple sentence? In the event of not changing her habit, nobody likes her. Write fast. She must change her habit. Nobody likes her. In the event of not changing her habit, nobody likes her. Write fast. The next one is into complex. Okay, unless she changes her habit, unless she changes her habit, nobody likes her. Okay, unless she changes her habit, nobody likes her. Okay, this is a complex sentence. This is a complex sentence. Okay, unless she changes her habit, nobody likes her. Last one is she must change her habit, or else, otherwise, any word we can write. Okay, she must change her habit, or else nobody likes her. Okay, so this is a compound sentence. This is compound sentence. Okay, so complex. What is the keyword? Negative. For negative, unless she changes her habit, nobody likes her. Complex. She must change her habit, or else nobody likes her. This is compound. Okay, each model you do it, you will definitely you are very familiar with this model. Okay. some example I will give. Two more example. Two more example I will give. Right first, this second one, she must change her habit. Nobody likes her. Okay, nobody likes her is a negative word. Okay, nobody. So in the event of not changing her habit, nobody likes her. One model. Unless she changes her habit, nobody likes her. Second one, she must change her habit, or else nobody likes her compound. Okay. So some example you write. Write first. If you run 2 miles a day, comma, if you run 2 miles a day, comma, you will reduce your weight. This is exercise for you. If you run 2 miles a day, comma, you will reduce your weight. First identify what kind of sentence that one, what type of sentence that one, then change it into other two. Okay. Next one is write. Avoid laziness. Avoid laziness and you will become a successful person. Avoid laziness and you will become a successful person. Avoid laziness, you will become a successful person. Next type. Okay. So sixth type. So 5 types we completed. Sixth type is infinitive model. So first take down the connectives. What are the connectives we should use for this sentence? For single sentence, you should use to. To will come. Okay. To will come. For complex, so that can or could not. So for complex, so some words will come beginning, then so will come, then that will come. Can means for present tense. If it is sentence is past tense means we should use could. Okay. So next one is very and so can or could not. Okay. So next very word will come, then some words will come, and so can or could not will come. Okay. Little bit write fast. One example I will teach you this class. Okay. First one is the beggar. The beggar is very old, full stop. The beggar is very old, full stop. He cannot run. Okay. Change it into single sentence. This is a two sentence. We should change it into single sentence. The beggar is very old. He cannot run. Come here. The beggar is very old is changed into too old to run. This is simple sentence. Have you understood? Okay. What is the sentence? The beggar is very old. He cannot run. The beggar is too old to run. Simple sentence. Okay. Then compound sentence. How to change it into compound sentence? Just keep it in mind. The beggar is too old to run. Next one is the beggar is so old. The beggar is so old that he cannot run. Okay. What is the complex sentence? So the beggar is so old that he cannot run. Okay. So that is a complex sentence. How to change into compound? So the beggar is very old. The beggar is very old, and so he cannot run. This is compound sentence. Okay, so this is the model. So the beggar is so old that he cannot run. Complex, the beggar is very old and so he cannot run. Okay, so come one more example I will give. Write fast. Next example, she is very proud, she cannot mingle with others. She is very proud, she cannot mingle with others. She is very proud, she cannot mingle with others. Okay, do it as a homework. So 3 models I taught, 3 models I gave some exercise. So do this exercise. Thank you, students.